Well, good morning and welcome along to another edition of Adventures with Otis. Good morning, Otis. Good morning, Sunny. Are you ready for your walk this morning? Come on, let's go. Have some fun in springtime. Welcome once again to BeechwoodPatk, our favourite park in Newport in South Wales. What a beautiful day it is. What do you think, Otis? You ready? Come on, let's go. Where's Sunny? She's ahead already, enjoying the smell of the daffodils. Look at this, spring is in the air. Daffodils and a beautiful herbaceous border come into colour. What more could you want? Welcome to Wales, and welcome to the adventures of Otis. And with that, okay Otis, come on, let's get your lead off. Good boy, well done. Sunny, you're still on your lead for a little while, okay? Good girl. Well, looks as if Sunny's going to choose the route today, Otis. Right, we're going to head up the bank and follow Sunny. This way, Otis. Come on, boy. Good boy. I think it's the first time in about 10, 11 days that I've been able to make a video. It's been belting in with rain. We've still been out walking every morning. And it's been too torrential, though, to make any videos. So, today, Sunday morning. And we left it a little bit later into the morning. It's now about, let's have a look. Oh, it's 8:30. And we're going to enjoy the beautiful views of BeechwoodPatk. And just enjoy the smells of spring. I was a little bit slippery back there, so I stopped recording. And yeah, I forgot how steep that little bit of bank is. Didn't look that steep, but yeah. Certainly felt it. Look at that shadow. That means the sun is peering down on my back. I can just about feel it actually. And there she is, peering through the trees. And that's the east side of Newport. And Beechwood Church in the foreground. And the entrance to BeechwoodPatk. What more could you ask? Beautiful day, lovely springtime, and a pair of beautiful dogs to go for a walk. And Otis and Sunny. Oh, I can feel that sun on my back right now. There we go. We're ready to get to see me. There's me. Oh dear. I've still got Sunny in my left hand and the camera in the right. There we go. Come on there, Sunny. Good girl. And this is the Tanton Road entrance. My cousin, very fortunate to live there. And he looks out over the park. Very fortunate indeed. Hi Sean. Hi Stuart. Oh, look at this. The buds are coming out on the trees as well. Fantastic stuff. Okay, just wait there. Sunny, wait. Take your lead off. There we are. There you go. Off you go, Sunny. Straight off to see Otis. Oh, I love it. I love it. Beautiful. Lovely to see dogs having fun. This way, guys. Oh, what's that there? Is that a ball? No, it's a deflated balloon. Oh, that's no good for you guys. Come on, let's go find a stick. Oh wow, look at the daffodils over there. Oh, beautiful. Oh, it's lovely. Not even March yet. Is it March 1st, St. David's Day? But hopefully all the daffodils will be out ready. And then guys, are you still looking for a stick for me? Otis, big stick for you. Otis. 1, 2, 3. You're not interested? Where's your stick, Otis? Yay! Said he got it. You did that on purpose. So you got a little mouse. Where's your stick? Otis! Otis! Carry a stick. Otis, carry a stick. Come on! Carry a stick. Take a stick. Take it. You want the little toy. Look, a lovely stick. Good boy. Otis! Come here. Come here. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Sunny wins it. Come on then. That's a good boy. You let her have that, didn't you? I know you. I'll throw it again anyway, if both of you can chase it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yay! You just like the running, notice these days. You let Sunny do all the carrying. Wow, I think that was clever actually. You ready again, guys? Are you ready? Sit. Sunny, sit. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Come on, bring it back. Clever girl. Come on, boy. Okay, good. Drop it for me, Sunny. Good girl. Okay. You ready? For 1, 2, down the bank this way. 3. Come on then, this way, guys. Okay, come on then, this way. Oh, just Sunny. Sunny, this way. They're watching the people doing their exercises. Watch this. This way! Otis, Sunny, this way! Clever girl, clever boy. Okay, you gonna drop? No, you don't drop this time. Good boy, good girl. Okay, you ready for more throw? You are. Good. Clever boy, clever girl. Oh, it's a shame it's a bit misty this morning. But you can still see across the Bristol Channel, just about. Actually, I keep saying Bristol Channel. It's a 7S tree over there in the distance. Okay, Otis, how you doing? How you doing, Sunny? Okay? Okay, guys, let's head down the bank and we'll go up the other side. Okay, guys, wait there. Right, wait there, Otis. Just put your lead on. Stop. Good boy. Oh, man. Do you remember the days, Otis, when you used to train in this tennis court? That was before they put these signs up. The orange areas are not allowed. And that includes the 2 tennis courts and the area around the house. The rest of the park though, you're free to run around. Oh, there we go, okay. Let's head up the steps, I think. Good boy, good girl. And we'll take a look at the flow beds in front of Beechwood House. You've gone the wrong way, Sunny. Come on, this way. Good girl. No, we're not going for a coffee today, Sunny. Oh, she's looking at the other dogs. Come on, girl, this way. And here's the wonderful flow beds. Not quite sure it's been planted, but looking very pretty anyway. Yellow on the peripheries and orange in the centre. Beautiful. And the wonderful Beechwood House. Look at that. Oh, lovely bluey grey sky behind it. Lovely stuff. What have you got there, Sunny? Nice smells, Otis. Come on, boy. I'm not sure if you can see it on camera, but it looks like they put the drainage spikes in at the the bowling green. Fantastic. Okay, let's follow around the wall then, Notice. Good boy. Oh, looks like there's a lot of these hydrangeas. I think they are. Looks like the flower bed's a little bit bare at the moment. I guess they're preparing these ready. Lots of spring flowers. What do you think, Otis? And the other lovely tennis court. Put my teeth in. Tennis court. Otis, what's wrong with my teeth this morning? Another place where I used to take you for training. Some lovely, I'm not sure what flowers they are. Are they wallflowers? Maybe. Come on, guys, this way. And here's Vicky's favourite tree trunk tree. I think it's everybody's favourite tree trunk tree, actually. There she is, towering up right in the heart of BeechwoodPatk. Well, you've got good eyesight, Sunny. She spotted one of her pals over the other side of the tennis court there. Not down the steps just yet, don't this? No, this way. This way. Just going to take a little look at the daffodils and the snowdrops and the crocuses. Look at that. It's beautiful. Absolutely wonderful. There we are, another BeechwoodPatk sign. Fantastic, and we're about 3/4 of the way up. You can see where we marked there, but we started at the bottom, walked up the left hand side of the park, past Tennyson Road, right the way up towards the cafe, and then we walked around in front of the Beechwood House, and then around the tennis courts, and then around the bowling green, and then down to past the big tree there, and finally to here. And now we've got to follow it down through the dingle area, through the waterfalls, zigzag around, and maybe down to the Gibbs Road entrance. Yeah, I think that's what we'll do. Okay guys, what do you think? Okay guys, you go and have a look at the, do you want to look at the waterfalls? Yeah, and the dingle? Yay! Okay, let's go. it's lovely to see the buds on the trees. Spring is definitely in the air. Fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Okay, down the steps we go, guys. Round to the right. Good boy, good girl. We'll take a look down through the dingle. There's lots of smells there. And we'll check out the other waterfalls. Okay, down the steps. Otis, down the steps. Good boy. Oh, just a trickle at the minute. Running down under the first bridge. Okay, guys, let's move on. Good boy, good girl. Okay, just down the steps. Go on. Then we get this way. Come on. And Sunny. Oh, look at that beautiful waterfall. This is my favourite part of the park. Absolutely fantastic. Look at that. Cascading water. I love it. Absolutely beautiful and peaceful. Okay, let's go. And over bridge 2 we go. And another part of my favourite views. Look at that, looking up the dingle. Absolutely beautiful. And the water trickling down under the bridge. Okay, across the last of the bridges, the original stone bridge of BeechwoodPatk. Okay, guys. Looking up, looking a bit swampy to the north, but look at all the buds out on the magnolia trees. That is beautiful. Absolutely. Really picturesque. It won't be long, we'll have some beautiful magnolia flowers out. Absolutely beautiful. Wow, all the trees coming into bud. Absolutely beautiful. You two staring at the trees as well. Come on then, let's go. Well, we're coming near to the end of our trail, so thank you very much for joining us. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please click the like button and please subscribe if you haven't already. It doesn't cost anything. It does help the channel grow a bit. And welcome to spring. Just looking over there, some red berries on a bush. Let me see if I can zoom in past the bench. There we go. Wow, very pretty. There we go. What with the berries and the magnolia buds, it's all looking blooming lovely in BeechwoodPatk. Oh, and even the laurel bush has got new buds on the way. Oh, fantastic. Oh, beautiful. And a quick look view down BeechwoodPatk to where we started, down on Chepstow Road. That's where we're going to finish off. Just about there between those two trees. That's the gate opposite Gibbs Road. Fantastic. Well, we had a lovely walk. Stayed dry, which is absolutely fantastic. So more people coming in the park there to enjoy the beauty of BeechwoodPatk. It's got plenty for everyone. There we go. Great view up through the dingle. So till next time, it's a cheerio from me, and a cheerio from Otis, and a bye from Sunny.